how to allow camera and microphone access in Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. So for that, you may head over to facebook.com first and open up your browser and click on the three dot. After that, you may head over to the settings directly. Once you open up your settings of your browser, you may just go ahead and look for privacy and safety option from the screen at the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. After going to privacy and safety, you may scroll down and look for option called site settings. Open it up. Then once you open it up, we have this option of permissions. Now from here, you may scroll down and look for camera first and then microphone. So let's head over to camera first. And you need to have this option selected, which is sites can ask you to use your camera. And in this not allow section, you need to make sure the Facebook Messenger is not there. Similarly, for the microphone, you can follow the same steps. Head over to microphone. And then from microphone, make sure this option is selected. And in this not allowed section, Facebook Messenger is not there. So that is it. That is how you basically give access to your Facebook Messenger on your PC for microphone and camera. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.